Hello everybody, got the old birds out at the minute. Look, they've been up since 2 o'clock, it's now 6, gone 6 I think. I'm going to put the young birds up with them. So here we are with the young birds, both of them. I've only got 2 left, the other 5 went off yesterday. I was working in the garden, I let them out, I was working in the garden, they were walking about the loft. 5 minutes later I looked up at them, like I said, I was working in the garden, 5 minutes later I looked up on the shed and the only 2 that were on the shed were these 2. They went off, but they didn't join the other ones because the other ones were like way out there. They were tiny dots right out there. It took me about 5 minutes before I could find them, and so I quickly chucked out a load of old birds, and consequently 3rd time up, that was it, they're gone. I hadn't really spent a lot of time with them, so it's my fault, and they weren't very hungry, so because they had a lot of tea the day before. So I'm going to chuck these up now anyway. Chuck them 2 babies up, they can join them. So the next batch I'll have to be a bit more careful and look after them. That's how it is. But anyway, so I'll just put them 2 young birds in there with them. There's the 2 young birds there, obviously, not in the kit. But let's see if they join the kit. Either they will or they won't. Got 2 choices. And they're not at the minute. But yeah, I'm gonna let them fly around for about 10 minutes. Hopefully they'll join the kit, and then I'll drop them. Or maybe give them a little bit longer, I don't know. Now I'm stood down here, these old birds have seen me. But as you can see, the young birds have not joined the kit. So I might just go up to the top of the garden and give them a little watch from up there. But yeah, them other young birds, they went way out there. I've done that the first year when I moved here 3 years ago. I just lost them straight off the loft. I thought I'd learn by now, but there you go. Too keen to get in the air, I reckon. That's my trouble. Alright, we'll see if these join up, shall we? Like I say, these 2 were up in the sky yesterday, but they didn't join the other 5, luckily. So I've got 2. But we'll see. I mean, they flew for about 10 minutes, these 2 yesterday, and I eventually got them down. I thought, well, they're not going to join them other ones. The old birds, they didn't fly away and find them others. They'd already gone. By the time the old birds got up in the sky, them babies were gone. These old birds were out earlier and they were really high. I went to get the iPad to video them, but then something must have gone into them because they were everywhere. But all 14 are still there somewhere. There they are. 14 old birds and 2 young. That won't join the kit. That's why I don't normally fly old birds with young birds, because they're all different fitness levels, aren't they? 2 of these young birds are actually flying quite well. They probably won't join the kit. I don't know. That seems to be the trouble. If they don't live together or exercise regular together, they don't sort of kit together, do they? Mine don't anyway. Now I've said that, they'll probably go and join the kit now straight away. So these old birds, they see me sitting here now. Yeah, a few of you have seen the comment up. I tried to put a post up, not like one of them YouTube shorts or something. It just said create a post, so I pressed create a post to tell everybody that I'd lost my young birds. But I can't even see the post myself. But other people have commented on it, which is why I thought I'd just do this video to explain that I'd lost my young birds. At least I ain't got to feed them, have I? And the DEFRA, looked on the internet, chickens in the area are allowed out as of Monday, apparently. That's what I've been told. These young birds have come down now, they may even join the kit, but we'll give it a few more minutes and see if they do. I might even call them all down in a minute. It's been 6 minutes of this video. Oh, look, no, it looks like they were going to join them, but they're not. Yeah, apparently on Monday, birds, ducks, chickens and all that are allowed out of their coops as of Monday. So the letter everybody got this week was like a month late. So I know other people in the surrounding area got a letter, the same letter, weeks ago. But there you go. They're going out. Here they come. Which side of the tree are they going to come out at? There they are. They look like they're in the kit then, but they're not, they're higher. You won't believe how high them five got yesterday. They got just as high as that day I lost that kit in the snow. Paint my sheds. Blend in a bit better, that. Blend in with the background. Not quite so obvious. All the wood had gone silvered. Needed treating. Bought that new paint from Wix. Bondex, I think it's called. Look at them. Should we call them down? Don't reckon they'd come down if I called them down, them young'uns. then clapping away. You see that? All come gliding in, shall I say? I've got two lovely reds in the nest. They've got white tails. This one has as well, but two pure Sheffields in the nest with white tails. I'd take you in and have a look, but I ain't cleaned out for a week. And I've been feeding crappy food that I could only get. Had maize in it, and they don't eat the maize. Let's go and show you. Told you they don't eat maize. What's the point in feeding maize? They don't eat it, but just unluckily. Oh, what's that? Something happened then. Yeah, they just joined. The blue just joined them. The blue joined them. Look, is the red going to get in there with him? Yeah. Yeah, look, the red's joined them now. It took 10 minutes though, didn't it? It took 10 minutes to join. So a quick look, I'll show you. Like I said, I haven't cleaned out for about a week, so you have to excuse the mess. Look at all the maize on the floor. They don't eat it, they chuck it everywhere. I'm going to sweep it up and give it to the droppers. There you go, look. Two beautiful pure Sheffields with white tails, look. So got them two more there, red and a blue. Then top bunk is a blue and a checker. Next door to that, got one little squirt. I think it's going to be a red. That's a red and a blue there. Look. That red took about 2 days to hatch. Look at the size difference in that. It's lucky I was going to get rid of it. And she's got 2 eggs. That's bizarre. She laid 2 eggs. For some reason, after the other round, she laid 2 eggs really quick. And then she didn't really sit on them. And then she laid more eggs. I knew which eggs were which, so I threw the other ones out. But yeah, she laid 2 eggs quickly for some reason. I had 2 reds in there, and both young ones died, so I took the old birds out. There and there. But yeah, there's the birds. What's the time? It's 25 past 6. Shall we cool them down? Let's get some food. Look at them all stretched out, look. Right, when we drop these, we're looking for the red. And that'll be the only red I've got there, so we'll see that. And a checker. That's good. Yeah, I ain't got a checker. I ain't got a checker, old bird. So we're looking for the red and a checker. Checker's down. There's a checker there. Come on. I hate young birds. But like I say, the next kit I'm going to be careful with them. Try and look after them. And to be honest, the other ones as well, they only lived in there. I didn't have the flap open very much because remember somebody commenting about the place looking like a goldfish bowl and attracting the hawks while they were there during the day. While they were in there during the day, I thought, yeah, they're probably right. So I kept them sighted up, and consequently, look what's happened. Come on. Come on. Okay, here come the red. Boom. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm actually thinking about getting some racing pigeons again. Fly a bit faster, don't they? I got fed up at the other house because they always landed on the house. But here I think I might have better luck with them landing on the loft rather than the house. Come on. Oh, it's going to take forever to load this video up. It's 18 minutes long already. Come on. Come on, Imp. Right, I'm going to have to call it from the video because they're going up a little bit more. I want to get these in get these ones in before Sparrowhawk come over. Come on. That'll do, get them in there. Come on. Come on. So near, not so far. Come on. Come on. Oh, 2 more down. Is that 5 to come, was it? 4. 5, yeah. 5 to come. They always nip over that tree or something around there and they split up for some reason. As if, I don't know, as if something went into them. Come on. Come on. We'll try and get these in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the... Oh, here we come. Hello, mate. Come on. Right, yeah. This video's far too long. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.